Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I am going to show you guys how to make sweet and sour prawns. Now we all know that sweet and sour is a Chinese recipe, but today we are forgetting our local Chinese takeaway and we are making these delicious, super quick and easy sweet and sour prawns at home, which is great with any side dish of your choice: plain rice, fried rice, noodles, you name it. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I have the following ingredients. In this bowl, I have my king prawns. For my veggies, I have onions, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. This have been cut into bite-sized pieces. I have chopped garlic, egg, corn flour, black pepper, white pepper, Chinese 5 spice, smoked paprika, garlic granules, brown sugar, jumbo crayfish flavouring stock, chili sauce, vegetable oil, light soy sauce, ketchup, and white wine vinegar. As always, all ingredients, including measurement, will be in the description box below. I'm firstly going to begin by making my sweet and sour sauce, and for this I'm going to mix together ketchup, white wine vinegar, sweet chili sauce, Chinese 5 spice, light soy sauce, brown sugar, and I will add some water to mix everything together. Once you add the water, mix everything together, taste and adjust your sweet and sour sauce according to your preference. If you like it more on the sweeter side or more on the sour side, adjust your ingredients accordingly. I am now going to mix together water and corn flour. This is what's going to help thicken the sweet and sour sauce. I'll then set this aside for later use. I am now going to season my prawns with black pepper, white pepper, smoked paprika, garlic granules, and jumbo crayfish flavouring stock. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm just mixing everything together well. I am now going to add 1 egg and a little bit of corn flour. This is going to create the batter I need in order to coat the prawns in more corn flour ready for deep frying. I would normally do this step in a freezer bag because it minimizes getting my hands dirty. However, I don't have any at home, so I'm just going to do it on a plate. So I've added more corn flour to the plate, and now I'm just removing the prawns from the batter into the corn flour, and I'm just going to coat the prawns in a corn flour ready for deep frying. As you can see, all the prawns have been coated in the corn flour. I am using a deep fryer to fry the prawns, and I've allowed the oil to come to heat. I'm now going to fry the prawns until it is golden. And as you can see, the prawns is ready. I'm just going to remove it from my oil and I'll set this aside for later use. Now to a wok or frying pan, add a little bit of oil and allow the oil to come to heat. Once the oil is hot, I'm just going to add my vegetables and I'll fry this on low to medium heat for 2 minutes. I'm now going in with my sweet and sour sauce, and guys, you can also add some pineapple chunks if you like this in your sweet and sour sauce. I personally don't, so I didn't add it. Now I'm going to add my corn flour. This is what is going to help to thicken the sweet and sour sauce, and I'll just leave this to simmer until the sauce begins to thicken. As you can see, the sauce has begun to thicken. I'm just allowing it to thicken a little bit more before I add the prawns. And the sauce has thickened even more, just how I like it, and it smells amazing. I am now going to add the fried king prawns. I'll mix everything together, and guys, this sweet and sour prawns is ready. It smells incredible. And guys, the sweet and sour prawns is ready. It smells amazing. I am certainly going to enjoy this with some homemade fried rice. If you want to see the recipe, let me see the comment below. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to click that notification bell, which will notify you whenever I post a new video. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.